So good evening, everyone. I want to welcome you to our first Harvard Divinity School, Harvard Medical School lecture series on religion and medicine. My name is Michael Balboni. I'm a researcher and on faculty at Harvard Medical School and one of the organizers for tonight's event. The vision of this lecture series emerged from a realization of a deep divide between religion on the one hand and medicine on the other, especially as experienced within the university. There's been a lack of engagement on how medicine may be informed by religion and how religion may be informed by the practice of medicine. And the lecture series is an extremely small, but not to be despised attempt to bridge this intersection in order to enable richer conversations to take place at the intersection of religion and medicine, which is why earlier I encouraged you to talk to one another and network with one another and get to know each other, in order to attempt to increase the interdisciplinary dialogue within and across the university, and to create opportunities to build relationships. The lecture series is generously funded by the John Templeton Foundation and will take place one time per semester, at least over the next 3 years. And our guest lecturers will be presenting here at the Divinity School, as well as over a 2-day period of time, giving a grand rounds presentation at one of the Harvard teaching hospitals and giving a lecture to medical students at Harvard Medical School. In April of 2014, the lecture series will welcome Dr. Dan Blazer. He's a leading psychiatry researcher and former chair of psychiatry at Duke, and he's still at Duke. His lectures will focus on the intersection of spirituality, depression, and psychiatry. So we look forward to having Dr. Blazer join us. Tonight we welcome Dr. Dan Sulmasy. He is the Kilbride Clinton Professor of Medicine and Ethics in the Department of Medicine and the Divinity School at the University of Chicago. He also there serves as Associate Director of the McLean Center for Clinical Medical Ethics. Dr. Sulmasy holds an MD from Cornell and completed his internal medicine residency and chiefship at Johns Hopkins Hospital. And he also completed a PhD in philosophy from Georgetown. He is an internationally known bioethicist, appointed to the Presidential Commission for the Study of Bioethical Issues by President Obama in 2010. He is the author of more than 200 journal articles, including, as I was looking at his CV this afternoon, 160 peer-reviewed scientific articles and more than 40 publications in theology and philosophy. In his free time, he has authored 4 books, The Healer's Calling, Methods in Medical Ethics, now in its 2nd edition, The Rebirth of the Clinic, and A Balm of Gilead. So please welcome me in welcoming Dr. Sulmasy.